Hey guys, and welcome to our 2019 Relax, Reset and Renew retreats in Northern Bali. These retreats are about getting people out of that fight or flight mode and getting them back into their bodies, into a state of calm, creativity and connection to oneself. As you can see, the accommodation and the resort is absolutely exquisite. Swimming pools everywhere. A real beautiful place to take home and create lifelong memories. This is about transformation, the transformation of you. It's about having a holiday from yourself. There's beautiful raw, vegan and vegetarian healing foods, but also traditional Balinese and Western foods. Whatever you need, we've got you covered. The resort is situated surrounded by jungle, volcanoes, mountains and also the beautiful ocean right at the front with 25-degree water, tropical conditions, the perfect combination of warmth and comfort. We have many co-hosts joining us with some really exquisite and very unique gifts. They'll be working with us throughout the resort. We'll be doing yoga, meditation and breathwork every morning, and also drinking beautiful green juices and jamu jamu to start the day. We'll be working with heart-opening medicines like cacao, kratom tea, and also Hapeh, sacred tobacco medicine from the jungle. We'll be doing sound journeys. We'll be doing waterfall blessings. We'll be on jungle hikes. We'll be getting out and spending a lot of time in the jungle, in nature, but constantly stepping into the sacred at all times. This really is about connection, about family, about unity, and it's about making new friends. This is a family holiday. This is what I like to call it. And the accommodation, beautiful. We'll be doing massages, acupuncture, kinesiology, and also chiropractic during this retreat. Thanks for listening, guys. So come join us on a 7-day experience, 13th to the 20th of November 2019. Thanks for listening, beautiful people. We hope to see you soon.